Gone but not forgotten. The shadow of extinction. The loss of a species is a silent tragedy, a shadow that lingers over our planet. Did you know? Extinction happens when the last of a species disappears. Forever. It's a permanent erasure from the tapestry of life, leaving behind only memories and echoes of what once was. It's a stark reminder of nature's fragility, but there's hope. Every sunrise brings a new chance for recovery, a new opportunity to heal the wounds inflicted on our environment. Some incredible creatures have been pulled back from the brink. Thanks to tireless efforts of conservationists, species once thought lost are given a second chance at life. Their stories are beacons of inspiration in a world grappling with environmental challenges. These success stories show us that with dedication and effort, we can turn the tide. These stories remind us that we can make a difference. From planting trees to educating the next generation, every action counts in the fight to protect our planet's biodiversity. We can rewrite the ending for vulnerable species. By supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that these animals have a future. Let's delve into the world of wildlife heroes and celebrate the remarkable journeys of animals brought back from the edge of extinction. Their stories are a testament to the power of human compassion and resilience. A planet under pressure, threats to our wild wonders. Our natural world is under siege from multiple fronts, and the consequences are dire. Our planet is facing a biodiversity crisis. Species that have thrived for millennia are now on the brink of extinction. Many animals are losing their homes due to deforestation. Forests, which are the lungs of our planet, are being decimated at an alarming rate. Climate change brings unpredictable weather and disrupts delicate ecosystems. From melting glaciers to severe droughts, the impacts are far-reaching. Pollution poisons the land, water, and air that creatures depend on. Toxic chemicals and plastic waste are infiltrating even the most remote corners of the Earth. These threats push countless species towards extinction. The loss of even a single species can have a ripple effect, destabilizing entire ecosystems. The good news is, we have the power to change things. Through concerted efforts, we can reverse some of the damage. By understanding the dangers our wildlife faces, we can take action. Education and awareness are crucial in mobilizing communities to protect our natural world. Conservation efforts are making a real difference, giving threatened species a fighting chance. Reforestation and wildlife sanctuaries are vital in restoring balance. From protecting habitats to combating climate change, every step counts. Sustainable practices and renewable energy projects are paving the way for a healthier planet. Soaring back from the brink, the California condor's triumph. The California condor is a majestic bird with a wingspan that can reach almost 10 feet. Once almost extinct, this magnificent creature faced a dire future. Only a handful remained in the wild. Dedicated conservationists took action. Through captive breeding programs and tireless efforts, the California condor was given a second chance. Slowly but surely, numbers began to rise. Today, these birds grace the skies once more, a testament to the power of human intervention and the resilience of nature. Desert majesty restored. The Arabian oryx's return. The Arabian oryx, with its striking white coat and long curved horns, is a symbol of resilience in the harsh desert environment. Hunted to extinction in the wild, this antelope species was given a lifeline through captive breeding programs. Thanks to these programs, the Arabian oryx was reintroduced to its native habitat. Today, herds roam freely, a symbol of hope for the future of endangered species. Their story reminds us that even when hope seems lost, determined conservation efforts can turn the tide. Section 5. A Fighting Chance. The Black-Footed Ferret's Story of Resilience. The black-footed ferret, a playful and charismatic creature, once thrived in North America's vast and open grasslands. These agile predators roamed freely, hunting prairie dogs and living in harmony with the ecosystem. Sadly, over time, habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and urban development, coupled with disease, decimated their population. The once thriving species faced a dramatic decline. For a time, they were believed to be extinct. The prairies fell silent and the burrows lay empty, a stark reminder of what was lost. Then, in a miraculous turn of events, a small colony was rediscovered in Wyoming in 1981. This unexpected find brought a glimmer of hope to conservationists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. This discovery ignited a spark of hope. Conservationists rallied together, determined to save the species from the brink of extinction. A captive breeding program was established, meticulously designed to increase their numbers. Slowly but surely, the black-footed ferret population began to rebound, thanks to the tireless efforts of dedicated scientists and volunteers. While challenges remain, their story exemplifies the power of perseverance and the importance of never giving up on a species, no matter how dire the situation may seem. The black-footed ferret's journey from the edge of extinction to a hopeful future is a testament to human dedication and the resilience of nature. Section 6. Guardians of the Wild. Our role in conservation. The successful revival of the California condor, Arabian oryx, and black-footed ferret highlights a crucial point. We can make a difference. Each one of us has a role to play in protecting our planet's biodiversity. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our environmental footprint, and spreading awareness, we become guardians of the wild. Our actions today will determine the fate of countless species for generations to come. Let's choose to be the generation that turns the tide against extinction. Section 7. Celebrating success, inspiring action, sharing hope for the future. These wildlife success stories offer hope and inspiration. They demonstrate that even in the face of adversity, dedication and collaboration can achieve extraordinary results. By sharing these stories, we ignite a passion for conservation in others. Let's spread the word about the incredible work being done to protect our planet's biodiversity. Share your favorite wildlife success stories with friends, family, and on social media. Together, we can create a ripple effect of awareness and action that will benefit wildlife for years to come. Section 8. Your turn to be a wildlife hero. Every individual has the potential to be a wildlife hero. It starts with small steps. Learn about the species in your local area and how you can help protect their habitats. Support organizations dedicated to conservation. Reduce your carbon footprint. Make conscious choices to live sustainably. Your actions, no matter how small, contribute to a larger movement for change. Together, we can create a brighter future for all species on Earth. Join the movement and be a wildlife hero today.